My name is Tony. I graduated this past May, and what you see behind me is my first build here in Glen Heights, Texas. This property is projected to hit the market within the next couple of days, and I'm projected to make anywhere between $75,000 to $100,000. Prior to building, I was a firefighter. I'm currently still a firefighter, and I enjoy changing lives that way. But now I found a new passion as far as building. I had no prior experience in real estate at all, and I found TGB, and me and my wife, we looked at it, and we thought it was a scam. And they had a pop-up come up, and actually it was date night for my wife and I. And we went from date night going to a pop-up. From there, we joined a 2-day, and then one of us joined the mentorship, which was me. And here I am, my first build here in Glen Heights. Now that I'm a builder, things when you build actually does change. So you have to be able to adapt. Every day it's not gonna go exactly as planned, so you have to be able to adapt and basically be a problem solver. Being in the 16-week mentor program was actually eye-opening. I come from a background not trusting anyone, so I'm very leery of everything that's going on. So I'm basically looking through Royce and Anthony as they're speaking, to be honest. And everything added up. I mean, I checked it and double-checked it, fact-checked it, whatever word you want to use, but they came out to be who they say they are. I mean, as you can see, this property here, I had no experience in building at all. I didn't know anything about doing due diligence to get a lot, anything about the vertical. They have taught me everything that I know about the build game, and I'm very appreciative of being in a mentorship. I can call them, they do answer the phone. I mean, if they don't answer the phone, they get right back to me. And when they answer the phone, they don't say hello. They say, "What's up, Tony?" And I really appreciate them knowing who I am. I had spoke with Royce probably 2 weeks prior to us closing on our first lot, not knowing that he was gonna show up. So when he showed up to our first, with us purchasing our first lot and at closing, I mean, that really let me know that it was real. Not just us spending the money, but when he showed up, knowing that he had our back, that let me know that I can trust Royce. The community has been big for me. I mean, I talk to people in the community on a daily basis. We're all talking about our different builds, or motivating and just supporting each other. I have one of my classmates behind us. He just pulled up. We getting ready to go to lunch. Like I said, the community, we're very supportive of each other. If I'm unsure about something, someone in the community is, and vice versa. I mean, we're all here to help each other. People who's watching this and think that TGB is a scam, actually, you're wrong, okay? I'm first person to tell you that because I'm leery of everything. Actually, I don't know if this is gonna happen or not, but I think they should charge more for what I've learned. I mean, this right here will feed me a lifetime. I can go anywhere in the country and know how to build a home. I mean, like I said before, it's gonna help me as far as get me where I want to, as far as point A to point B. In retirement, I know what I'm gonna be doing. It might allow me to retire early, but TGB is who they say they are. They will be there to help you from the beginning to the end. Why you should buy Miracle Property Investor Homes is we pride ourselves on quality. We build homes anywhere from affordable living homes to $1 million homes. We also pride ourselves in building our relationship with our customers. We want to sit down with you. We want to make sure that you are happy as a customer, and we want to put your vision and bring it to light.